From Kerala to the state of Karnataka, where the Karnataka BJP has called for a statewide protest following the murder of 23-year-old college student Neha Hiramath in Hubli. The Bharatiya Janata Party will be protesting against the state government in Mysore, Tumkur, Haveri, in Bellary, in Belagavi, Kalaburgi, Hubli, Dharwad, in Chitradurga, Ramanagara, Mandya and Vijayanagar. These are the places where the BJP state unit is going to be carrying out the protest against and over Neha's murder. Neha, the daughter of Congress councillor Niranjan Hiramath, was allegedly stabbed to death by her former classmate Fayaz Khondunayak on college premises. The demand for capital punishment for Fayaz has sparked protests across the state. Now, some of your visuals that you can see coming across from Kalaburgi in Karnataka, where the BJP's state unit is holding this protest, is staging this protest over Neha Hiramath's murder. Additionally, police have arrested two youths who reportedly justified Neha Hiramath's murder on social media as well. That's not all. Contrary to BJP's claims, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah clarified that Neha's murder is not a case of love jihad. But then again, JP Nadda, BJP National President, he met with Neha Hiramath's family on the 21st of April to express solidarity. Not just that, Jagdish Shettar, several other political figures have made a beeline to make a point and go and meet Neha Hiramath's father. You can see those visuals, distraught family over there. Now the BJP is calling out all its state unit to hit the streets in all these places from Chitradurga to Kalaburgi, Belagavi, Dharwad, Hubli, all these places. The BJP is going to carry out a state-wide protest. Some of those visuals on your screens. Meanwhile, Neha's father, Niranjan Hiramath, has accused the Karnataka police of negligence and has demanded a CBI probe into the matter. He clearly goes on to say, if you can't handle it, why don't you transfer the case to the CBI? But now, the Bharatiya Janata Party state unit in Karnataka holding these protests over Neha Hiramath's murder, who was murdered, stabbed to death by her old-time acquaintance on college premises. Kalaburgi to your right, and a similar kind of a protest that's taking place in Dharwad to your left. Also must throw light on the fact that people from both the communities are coming out. Girl students should be respected and protected. Banners held by members of the Muslim community in the state of Karnataka. Hindus, Muslims alike on the streets of Karnataka, protesting in solidarity and in support of Neha Hiramath, who was murdered, stabbed to death by an old-time acquaintance, Fayaz, on college campus.
आज अपने बीजेपी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री नड्डा जी, प्रहलाद जोशी जी, स्थलीय अपने महेश टेंगनकर जी एमएलए जी और अनेक अपने नेता वाले, भाजपा नेता वाले अपने को संतान बोलने के लिए अपने घर पे आए थे। ये घटना सुन के उनको बहुत बुरा लगा, उनको दुख हो के अपने को संतान बोलने के लिए अपने घर पे अपना मेरा मिसेस को और अपना मेरा बेटे को और मेरे को हिम्मत दे के गए हुए।
इस दौरान आप किस तरह का मांग उनके सामने रखा है?
मांग मैंने ये कहा है, ये आज हमारे बेटे को हुआ है, दूसरा बेटे को नहीं होना चाहिए और एक नेहा मरना नहीं चाहिए। पूरी जितने भी आज राज्य में और देश में जो मेरे बेटे का उम्र के लड़की लोग आज पढ़ रहे हैं, वो मेरे ही बेटे समझता हूँ। कोई और नया का हत्या नहीं होना करके मैं डिमांड रखा हूँ।